If you drive a Volvo, we are your best resource for service or repair. Since we focus on Volvos, we know their issues. We have years of experience. We have a track record of keeping our clients' Volvos running trouble-free and would love to do the same for you. We offer top quality service in a timely and professional manner with the utmost honesty and integrity in everything we do. Come and see us today for your next car repair and see the difference. We are family owned and operated and service the greater Metro Detroit area. Give us a call today at 248-565-6156.